Have you ever met someone with a brilliant mind who completely lacks basic street smarts? There's actually a profound health lesson hidden right there. Think about the classic absent-minded professor. He holds 3 PhDs, but he walks out of his house into a freezing Newcastle winter morning, completely forgetting his jacket. Now, his conscious mind might be a bit forgetful, but his body's an absolute genius. Without a single conscious command, his blood vessels constrict to protect his vital organs. His muscles begin to shiver to generate heat. You see, school can make you smart. That's accumulated knowledge, but your maker made you intelligent. Your body possesses a built-in self-regulating intelligence designed to constantly adapt to its environment, keeping you balanced without you ever having to think about it. As a chiropractor, my goal isn't to make you smarter. It's just to support that natural, brilliant intelligence so your body already has. So you see, when your spine has proper alignment, your nervous system can communicate clearly. This means your body can adapt beautifully to the physical, emotional, and environmental stresses of daily life. If you're ready to shift from simply reacting to health issues to actively supporting your body's natural capacity to adapt, let's look at your neurostructural balance. Drop in and see us at Level 1 on Pearson Street, right across the road from Charlestown Square. Let's make sure your communication lines are wide open.